Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change meters to feet on Google Earth app. So in order to do this, first of all open your Google Earth app. As you can see, currently the distance between these 2 points is shown in meter just right here. Now in order to change this instantly, what you can do is simply click on this small show more options just right here, and here you can simply choose feet. And now the distance will be shown in feet quickly. You can also add another point, and as you can see, it is shown in feet. Now in order to make sure that you see this distance in meters at default, you'll have to click on your profile icon at the top right. Then you will see settings at the bottom. So scroll down and click on settings. Then you will see this page. Here, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to formats and unit section, and in the units of measurements, choose meters and kilometers, and you will see feet and miles. Choose feet and miles, and now whatever points that you're going to measure will be shown in feet. For example, I will add a point here. I will choose measure. I will choose second point, and as you can see, the length is automatically shown in feet. So that is how you change meters to feet on Google Earth app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.